Hello everyone. This video is sponsored by Golden Maple Brushes company. I received from them new brushes. They're suitable for watercolors and gouache and made from real sable hair. I will be testing them today and paint a little bit. Let's see. I like to open new supply. Come in this beautiful box. Very elegant. It's a 10 brushes set. I have a various number. Let's see. What I like about this, each brush have separate packaging. I guess I need to open each one and rinse in water because they have a special stuff over here. This company is already very old, from 1990. Number 0. This is very interesting. I like this one. Let's open each one. I forgot this one. Number 6. The grips, the holder, very nice, very comfortable, lightweight. You can see the quality. What I like about them, I like this round shape. What I like about these brushes, the brush set, they have interesting varieties of brushes, not like just all rounds or something else. Look, they have big flat, which is very nice for the long strokes and the big areas, and very detailed one like this one. It's a 0 one, yeah, 0 one for details. I like small brushes. Number 6, well, it's very nice too. Okay. Funny looking shape. I need to rinse each one in warm water. It's like a liner. Very nice. Number 12. I will rinse them right now in warm water, and we will paint. I rinse the brushes in water and I sketch a leaf. Now let's try to paint this art leaf. Golden maple for golden maple. I take brush number 10 and I just do a little wash. Yeah, we have some stuff over here already. Okay, let's talk about this company. This company is already old, like 1990 started, and it's a family-owned fine art manufacturer, which is very rare I will be reading because it's difficult to memorize things like this. Our founder, Dee, spent over 20 years selling brushes. His vision was to bring the world's highest quality brushes to the global market. And today, Golden Maple is proud to be one of the top paintbrush brands on Amazon US. They sell also in Canada and Australia very well. And this particular one's handmade from sable hair, which is great. The holds are pretty good. The bristles is not falling like I have on brushes. I think it's Artigria. Let me see. Yeah, these guys. The stuff is falling from time to time. Look how big they are and bulky. But this one looks much better. Okay, let's continue to test it. This set looks so promising. I have another set of their brushes, their detail ones. They have very tiny brushes. Okay, let's add little orange. Very nice. Yep. I'm always saying the good tools makes big difference. It's very important to have a good tools for painting. You're supposed to have good brushes. It's a must. Without good brush you cannot do great paint. It will be not very good quality stuff. That's why we go for quality. Okay, gold. Perfect. Let's grab another one. This one over here. The smallest one in this set is 0. See how more details over here. Okay, very good. A little bit more here. I want it bright. Very nice. I like the lens a lot and how this brush feels in a hand. Very important when you paint. And it's not heavy. Which is heavy make it difficult and your hand and wrist is hurting. Okay. No, great. Great. Perfect. And in the description box below I will add discount code which will be active from now and will expire after February 28 next year, 2025. And if you like the set of these brushes, you can use the promo code I will list in the description box and you can have 10% off. It's very nice discount. I will add some details, just let it dry. And I will add some golden details and we are done. Let's add some gold to this beautiful leaf. The brush works very well. Holds good amount of paint. The paint floats very nicely. Absorbs good amount of water too. Very nice. Let's add some splashes. I like splashes. Let's see. Wow, interesting. Okay. Big ones and small ones. Very beautiful. Let's make some wash. Gold wash. A little bit of orange, I guess I add. Let's see. More colors, please. There we go. Big ones too. I want one big one over here. Just for fun. There we go. And there. Okay. After you use these brushes, as any brand brushes, you're supposed to clean them very well in water. Clean their tips nicely and let it dry. Okay. There we go. Golden leaf, painted by Golden Maple brushes. Thank you, Golden Maple, for sponsoring this video. And as I said before, who want to order these brushes, just go to my description box below under this video and use my promo code. You have 10% of discount, and discount is active right now and expires after February 28, 2025. You can get this beautiful professional brushes set. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Good luck with your art and see you next video. Have a great day. Bye.